guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this really extra blue look. It's not something that I usually do, but I wanted to create something really cool with this new player eyeshadow palette from Revlon. I really love the blues in here, so I thought I'd play it out with it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see how I created it, keep on watching. So I'm starting out with the Flormar Eye Perfection Primer, and I'm just going to put this over my whole lid. I feel like I start every video like that. Oh no, I know I do. I need to do my brows. It's looking ratchet. So I'm going to be playing with this palette today from Revlon, and I've been dying to play with these palettes for so long. This one is Player, number 910. I'm going to start out with this top shade over here and apply that in my crease. Whoa, okay. I did not know she's going to be that pigmented. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. What am I supposed to do with this now? Oh my goodness, that is pigmented, like seriously pigmented. Oh, she's gorgeous though, I'm not gonna lie. This is gorgeous. Wow, hello. Hi Revlon. What should you win today? You want to be extra? I see so. I'm just having a conversation with myself. You know what? Remember, it's all about the eyeshadow base. It's all about this eyeshadow base. I really think that any eyeshadow can look good under a good eyeshadow base. So it's definitely something to invest in. I mean, Flormar is not that like pricey. It's pretty affordable if you ask me. Some of y'all thinking, but Shauna, you don't buy stuff. But you know what? I do. I do buy all my favorite stuff. And besides, like, what would I review if I didn't get stuff? Like, you guys wouldn't know what to buy. So you're welcome. I'm kind of going to pack this on with a shader brush. I feel like a mermaid. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to stop talking so I can speed up this video. Well, Olivia can speed it up for me. Sorry, Olivia. If y'all didn't know, Olivia is my amazing videographer. Well, she edits my videos for me. And she just makes my life so easy. This is not looking as good on camera. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, damn. I'm looking in the camera and I'm like, she aight. Now, we are in need of some concealer. We're gonna do dot. As you can see, I'm kind of just leaving that area open instead of going in the inner corner of the eye. So I can either do that, go to the inner corner, or I can kind of just drag it out. I always go in with my finger just to soften everything up. Going in with that blue, I just want to kind of go on top here, on top of the cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful gold that I'm just not dealing with right now. Put that in the inner corner. She gets me. She gets me. Going in with the lighter shade in the palette and going more focusing on the inner corner. So I want it to be really bright there. And not too gold, you know. Now I want to use you. Because you are gorgeous, my goodness. If you go out and check out Miss She-Wolf on Instagram, she did a look with this green shade, and oh my goodness, it was so freaking beautiful. The way she edits her pictures are unbelievable. Like, it's so gorgeous. She just makes everything like pop. Like, her eyes are like delicious in that picture, like her actual eye color. So if you are on your phone, go check her out now. I'm gonna go in with the dark blue again and just kind of make this all blend together on the outer corner. Okay, we are going to be using the Superfine eyeliner from Essence. And look, I'm not the biggest fan of her because she gets dry quickly, like very quickly. Whew, okay. Oh, you thought we were done with that palette? No, honey. We're gonna go in with the brown and go over this liner because I don't want a black harsh line. Love this trick. Love this trick. And then I'm gonna add the dark brown on the outer corner, so this liner just blends into this dark brown, you know. Just gonna soften it up there. Just going in with that blue and just going on top of this brown. So it all just nicely blends together. Right in with the electric blue. Don't be afraid to go back and forth with your eyeshadows, you know, to get it perfect. This is looking so cool in the mirror, and then on camera, not so much. But we're gonna keep going and see where this goes. Remember to do one eye at a time, because once the liner dries, it's not going to pick up eyeshadow very nicely. So I'm looking at this like light blue shimmer, and I'm realizing that I should have used it where the gold is. Just like apply this on top of this gold because it's so beautiful. Just gonna wipe away all of this eyeshadow. Going to be using my strobe cream as a primer today, which I don't usually do. I always use a primer and strobe cream, but Nuza was like, I use primer. I use strobe cream as a primer, so I'm like, okay, let me try this as well. See if she works for me. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Note foundation, which is a foundation I'm falling in love with. Oh my goodness, this is like such a beautiful foundation. This is shade 102. So let me just do brows quick sticks. So actually now I can actually let you guys know why I do my brows. Soap, setting spray. I do my brows before my foundation because I feel like once I do this fluffy brow, and you just can't get foundation in it, because if you mix that foundation, if you're like brushing up, you're picking up the foundation the whole time and you're putting that into your brows, it just looks so gross. Your brows doesn't look perfect. So always do the brows on clean skin. And remember, when I do this like on myself, people always say, oh no, but you're selling genes, eh? Like my genetics. But to be very honest with you, I did this on Nuza, I did it on Ariba, and Ariba has thin brows. Okay, not that thin, but they're not like super full and in like a perfect shape. So I did it on her and it looked perfect afterwards. So I'm very sure that everybody can do this, and I've done this on also some of my clients that hardly have brows. And once you just push them up into the shape, you can kind of see where the brow shape is going, and then that's when you just fill in with your little liner, your brow pen liner, on any hairs that you are missing. Look how that just shapes everything. So now when I go in with my foundation, I kind of just go around it. Now I'm going to use shade Natural in the Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this underneath my eye. Down my T-pillow. Now going in with Mocha with the same concealer. This dries quite quickly, so that's why you're seeing that I'm first putting it on, then blending, and then putting on another section, and then blending. So a lot of you like will do each step, and then you won't like perfect everything because you think, okay, that's what Joshana did, and now I must stop. No, but like, look how I still need to perfect here. Like, that does not look good. So I go in with my foundation brush and just make sure everything is nicely blended. I don't want it to be like that obvious that I have that I have contouring on my forehead. It just needs to look slightly darker because that is where I tan. But you know what, my double chin is definitely going away. Thanks to Herbix. I haven't been posting myself in gym because like my gym routines and stuff, because I'm going alone, which I never used to do. So everybody's like hardly seeing my gym posts. But once I start like gymming with Rida again, I'll definitely like post my fitness, because all of y'all are shook that I lost so much weight so quickly. But it's all about low calorie intake. Look at this snatched jawline. And gymming regularly. I'm quickly gonna do my under eye. And you know what I actually want to do? I'm gonna take this blue and kind of create like a and I'm gonna put this light blue shimmer shade inside of this like little pocket in the inner corner. And then this matte shade on the inner corner. So when I intensify the blue by taking a really sharp ended brush. And then taking that dark blue and that really bright blue and putting it underneath over here. Now I'm going to be using this Off Tropic liner by NYX, and this is the new pencils that they just launched. This is shade Rainstorm. It's a beautiful dark blue. I'm just going to put this inside my waterline. And now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Volumazing by Revlon, and this is the waterproof one. So I really love this Go for the Glow Essence highlighter palette, so that is what I'm gonna use. And then for bronzer, I'm gonna be using my Br03 Bronzer. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Exposed Lip Liner by Kylie. I am absolutely in love with this liner, with this lip kit. It's like my ultimate favorite nude. And then for the Nova Essentials gloss, go check out their page. It's called Nova Essentials, and they have the brand called New Color on it. And I love this stuff. It's quite nice. Now we're going to set with one of my favorite setting sprays, and this is the Glam Glow Glow Setter. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Yeah, and guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really extra ocean vibe tutorial. Yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.